Prefixes are a group of letters that change the meaning of a word when they are added to the start of the word. The prefixes, as for example, the prefix un, it is usually means not. So the new word means the opposite of the original word. As for example, happy, unhappy. Unhappy means not happy. It is just opposite. Next word is estimate. Estimate, underestimate. Estimate using the prefix under. Now it is underestimate. Estimate means takhmeena lagana. Underestimate means galat takhmeena lagana. Now listen the sentence. The population of Karachi has been underestimated. The population of Karachi has been underestimated. कराची की आबादी का कम तखमीना लगाया गया है. Next word, that is understand and misunderstand. Understand, misunderstand. Here we are adding the miss with the basic word understand. Now it is misunderstand. Understand means समझना. Misunderstand का मतलब गलत समझना. Don't misunderstand me. मुझे गलत मत समझो. Don't misunderstand me. मुझे गलत ना समझो. The next, number 7, responsible. Now adding the prefix responsible, irresponsible. Irresponsible, first thing, the basic word is responsible. It means zimmadar. Irresponsible means ghair zimmadar. Now using in sentence, Punjab police officers are mostly irresponsible. पंजाब के पुलिस अफसरान ज़्यादातर गैर जिम्मेदार हैं. The next word, that is obedient and disobedient. Obedient, adding the prefixes this. Now it is disobedient. Obedient, farmabardar. Disobedient, nafarman. Disobedient students never achieve flying marks in the examination. Disobedient students never achieve flying marks in the exam. नाफरमान तालिब इल्म इम्तहान में कभी नुमाया कामयाबी हासिल नहीं करते. The next